Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to remove the background from any image in just 5 lines of Python code. So without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off by installing a few modules. So head on over to your Python terminal and type pip install remove bg, then say pip install pillow, and finally say pip install onnxruntime. And if you have a graphics card, you can install onnxruntime GPU and it will make the entire background removal process faster. And then hit enter and you should have them in no time. Now let's begin building the app. I'm going to start off by saying from remove bg import remove. Remove bg is what is going to be responsible for actually removing the background. Then we're going to say from pillow import image. Now we're going to use pillow to open and save images that we're going to edit. Next, we're going to create a variable called input image and set it to image open. And in this parentheses, we're going to pass in the name of the image you want to remove the background from. Make sure that you move the image to the same folder where your Python file is. The image that I want to edit is called quickpic.jpg. And the nice part about this method is that you can have images in other formats as well. So PNG, JPEG, JPG, and any other common format. Now we're going to create a variable called output image and I set it to remove input image. What this does is that we call the image that was stored in the input image variable and we remove its background. Then we're going to add our final line, which is outimage.save. In this parentheses, you're going to have the name of your output. I'm just going to call it output.png. Keep in mind, you can call it whatever you like, but make sure you save it as a .png file. Otherwise, you'll end up with an image on a white background. Anyways, that's it. That's how you build an image background remover in just 5 lines using Python. Now let's go ahead and run the program. And the process length will depend on whether you're using a GPU or not. And then after a few seconds, it will say process finished, exit with code 0. Now if you go to the folder where your Python file is, you'll find a new image called output.png. Well, mine is output.png because I called it that. But essentially, you'll find an image that was recently created. And if you open it, you'll see that the background has been removed. Here's the before picture and here's the after picture. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first when I upload a new video. Please help me reach 10k subscribers before the year ends. Also, I'm always looking to improve. If you have any constructive criticism, any questions, or just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.